We need to determine the locus of a point that is equidistant from the x-axis and the point 1, 3. Let us begin. So here, let us first consider the x-axis. Let us first begin by considering the x-axis. Now here, we have a point 1, 3. Since both the x and the y coordinates are positive, so it's going to lie above the axis. Now, we need to determine the locus of a particular point which is equidistant from both the x-axis as well as the point 1, 3. So let's suppose that we have a point P. P has the coordinate h, k. Now, we're going to name the point having coordinate 1, 3 as A. The condition here is that the distance of point P from the x-axis, so let's call this as the distance PB, this distance and the distance of point P from A, PA, so that's going to be equal. So that since P is equidistant from both A and the x-axis. Okay, so using this condition, we have to find out the locus of that point P. Okay, so let us begin. So according to diagram, it's given here that PB, that's going to be equals to PA. Now, what's PB? PB is the height of the point P from the x-axis, so the height is given by the y-coordinate, so that means the length of PB is going to be k. This will be equals to the length of PA. Now, to define the length of PA, we're going to use the distance formula. So we'll have to take the square root. Underneath the square root, first what we'll do, we'll take the difference of the x-coordinate, square it, and then add it to the difference of the y-coordinate, and then square it. So what's the difference of the x-coordinate? So we'll take h minus 1. So that's the difference of the x-coordinate. Similarly, we can define the difference of the y-coordinate. So that's k minus 3. Okay, now let's square both sides to get rid of the square root. Now we have k squared equals to h minus 1 whole squared added to k minus 3 whole squared. So k squared, that's going to be equals to h squared minus 2h plus 1 plus k squared minus 6k plus 9. Now we can cancel out k squared from both sides and rewrite the equation as h squared minus 2h minus 6k plus 10. That will be equals to 0. We're almost there. In the final step, what we'll do, we're going to replace the value of h with x, and we're going to replace the value of k with y. This means we're going to get x squared minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 equals to 0, and this is the locus of the point